Hello and namaste. Welcome to the day one of 7 days Begin Year series. Like I said, this is a beginner friendly series and it is for someone who's interested in getting your journey started into the world of yoga. I welcome you all and I ask you to just gently get into a comfortable seat. Find a good spot wherever you're comfortable. Relax your shoulders and chest. Gently see if you like closing your eyes. Draw your awareness towards yourself. How do we do that? You just have to check your whole body with your eyes closed. Scan your whole body from top to bottom and see how you're feeling. Is there any small parts of the body that feel tensed, that feel tight? It's a way of body seeking attention from you and trying to communicate with you. So every time at the start of the practice, we'll try to scan our body, try to stay in touch with ourselves, and give that time to connect. Set a simple intention for yourself. Any simple intention that you would like to give yourself for this practice. And slowly, once you're clear with it, you can gently open your eyes. That is beautiful. Today's practice is about moving and getting to explore ourselves as much as we can. So get started with a little bit of swaying of the shoulders. So you just let the shoulder go to the right side, drop your head, and come back center to the left side and center. Very gentle awakening of the body. Yes. Right, left. Good. Right and left. Okay, from here we're going to add a circle. So just completely coming ahead, completely going back. If you really enjoy this, if you really want to feel how it feels, close your eyes and experience. Yes. 2 more times in the same direction. One last time. And reverse the direction. Beautiful. It's a very gentle way of accessing the center of your body, the side and the legs, everything very gently. Last one. And slowly come back to center. Beautiful. Interlace your palms right in front of you and then take it up from there. Yes. Inhale, draw your shoulders up. And exhale, open your mouth and release. Again, inhale, take your shoulders up, 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 all the way till your ears. And release. One more time, inhale, take your shoulders all the way up. And let go. Slowly stretch your body to the right side. Stay there. Breathe. Inhale, lift up to the center and to the left side. Inhale, lift up and release. Okay, from here, all you're going to do is walk your right hand on the right side. Let it slide or walk. Yes. From there, if this is good enough for you, you feel a good stretch, just stay there. Yeah. And if you want to access a little bit more of a stretch, bend the elbows slightly. See how much ever low can you go. If you can go completely, that's amazing. From there, relax your head and just stay. I am practicing right next to the river, and which is why you can hear some sounds. So I will encourage you to enjoy the sound of the river and let your practice be a little more in sync with the nature. Inhale, slowly come up. And same thing on the other side, walk it. Slowly bend the elbows if you like or keep it straight and stay. And gently come up. That was really nice. All right, from here I'll encourage you to come into all fours. This is called all fours, where your both palms and your both knees are on the floor. All the four parts are on the floor. And from here, we're just going to rotate the wrist outwards. Your fingers are facing on the sides of the mat. And we're going to warm up the wrist from side to side. Yes, very gentle. Side and side. Good. Try to shift the weight on your hands more. Take your shoulders more ahead so you feel it on your wrist. 2 more rounds. And from there, slowly rotate the wrist backwards towards you. Yes, let it stay there and see if you can lean back. Nice. Slowly lean back and front. Lean back and front. Lean back and front. If the wrist is trying to come up, try to reduce the movement and let the wrist stay on the floor. Yes, and slowly release. Good. From here, bring the knees ahead. Take your hands in front of you. Relax the wrist. From here, take the thumb inside and make a fist and roll out. Roll it outwards. Yes. Long spine. Roll out your wrist. And roll it inwards. Beautiful. From there, you're just gonna slide ahead. This is called child's pose. Yes, in this, some of us cannot be very comfortable in sitting in this position. If that's something that you're feeling right now, you can add a block or a pillow underneath your hip and make this comfortable. Or you can open your knees a little bit. Yes, from there, just slide ahead and drop your chin and the forehead down. Let your body relax and surrender. Just breathe. And slowly from there, walk your both hands on the left side. Both the hands together on the left side. Drop your head down. Your head is between the palms. And just stay. Slowly come back center and move to the other side. Both the hands on the right side. Chest dropping down on the floor. Head dropping down on the floor. And breathe. Slowly come back center. And slowly roll up. From here, we're going to stand up and do a little standing practice. So, take your time to come up, get a comfortable wide stance. And from here, we're just going to gently twist our bodies. Take your hands ahead, take it together on the right side, and go back. And other side. Just this. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last one, 9, and 10. Slowly release and center. From here, you're just going to get your hands on the waist, yes, and gently push both the hips on the left side. Stay, just stay there. You should feel a stretch here. Some of us can feel the stretch here also. Keep your spine long and center alive. Yes. From there, push it all the way to the other side. Breathe. Slowly come back center. Let's make a big circle. As much as you can. Hip circles will really feel nice if you can actually go deeper in this. What I mean by deeper is close your eyes and feel in sync with it. Try to reach every corner of your room and try to see if you can take your hips to that corner, to every corner possible. And now reverse the direction. Close your eyes. Yes. See if there's any emotions trying to come up all the way on the surface. Try to experience it. Last one. and release. Lovely. From there, we're going to stand sideways. From here, all you have to do is get your legs just gently apart, not very wide. You're just going to arch your hips back like that. Push the pelvis back and then push the pelvis in. Yes, you squeeze your glutes, push the pelvis in and then push the pelvis out. Yes, let's do it. 10 and out. So exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. So if you have any tension from sitting long hours, you will feel that tension releasing from your lower back. Yes. Keep going. Outside is easier than coming inside. So if you can easily push your hips outside, try to add efforts to pushing the hips inwards also. Posterior tilt and anterior tilt. Yes. Last two. And one. Slowly from there, we're going to come back to seated. Yes, from your, close your eyes. Just take a minute to bring awareness to yourself. Any comfortable position that you're comfortable sitting in. Get your both hands on your belly. Let the belly expand when you inhale. Let the belly go out. Let the belly come in when you exhale. Feel that movement in the diaphragm. Now bring your left hand on your chest. Stay in sync with yourself. Take a minute to thank your body for this practice. Thank yourself for being so amazing. And give yourself a little appreciation for being so positive in this practice and the journey. Slowly release. And from here, gently take your time to open your eyes. That's really nice. I would highly encourage you to lie down for at least 2 to 5 minutes right now and give yourself a little rest after this practice. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the day 2.